Hey, party people, it's Jennifer Woolsey. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. We're going to do a little midday makeup because I have just been working this morning and going and haven't even stopped to do my makeup. So I curled my hair up. Let me take that down and let you see it. I got my hair curled and I was like, let's do a little bit of makeup and then I will get back into my work mode. So I already did my skincare regimen this morning. You guys know I'm a huge fan of the Isinox Anew Ultimate line. It is doing all the good. My eyes are looking wonderful. I love it. I love that it is lightening those dark eyes. It's depuffing. Oh, I did use my depuffer this morning. Bam, depuffing eye serum. And then I added in a little extra moisture with my Aqua Bomb, Belif Aqua Bomb. So it's already all the things done. We primed with Magix Prime, got my face all primed up and ready for makeup. Okay, let's hop in. Let me know whenever you hop in. Say hello, drop me a comment below. Let me know, what do you think about this makeup tutorial? Is this something that you could do? Are these real tips that real women use? And what do you got planned for the week? That is really where I am. Like, where do I start? It is the first of a year, and that means when you own your own business, you get the joy of reporting your taxes. So that's what I have been working on this weekend and today, and I'm like, I need a makeup break. Makeup just brings me joy. So that is shade Buttercream. I guess I should have told you guys that. And I'm just going to buff it in. And so starts the journey of the joys of taxes. But that's okay because it's a blessing to own your own business and get to set your own hours and do makeup at noon if you prefer. So... You know, I think we all have to look for the blessings in everything in life. And for me, being able to not wear makeup if I don't want to work in my PJs all day, or to do makeup if I want to, is one of the biggest blessings of working my business because I can do it from my phone and nobody even has to see me. So, you know, take the good with the bad. Hey girl, what's you doing? Yeah, I said it's a little midday makeup session. Cashmere Complexion shade Matcha and that concealer. And just gonna conceal it. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. I already primed my eyeshadow with my BDL eyeshadow primer whenever I did my Magix primer on my face, so I don't have to add it on there. It's already primed and ready to go. So what are your plans this week, Angie? Have you already started your DMO? So I have kind of a daily action step that I do for my business. So my goal is come in, get those daily action steps taken care of, and go ahead and knock that off my list. And then I go through with extra things. Like today, extra things is I still have laundry that has to be caught up on. Oh, the joys of laundry. Tattoo Station brow pencil in shade Brown. So I kind of wisp those up, and now I'm just filling them in. Really just a lighter look because I'm working in my office today. Don't have a lot of plans on going live or doing a whole lot of like Zoom calls or anything like that. So there is just something about putting makeup on, and I know I tell you guys this often if you watch my videos. There's just something about putting makeup on that helps you feel more prepared for the day, right? I mean, I could work in my pajamas all day long, and there have been days that I do that, like for real. There have been days that I do that. But when I have my makeup on, and I just feel better and more put together. Magix Dust, we're going to dust and set our makeup with a little fine dust. It's a great way to get a matte look. If you're like, I don't like that dewy look, Jen, I like a matte look, then you want a good setting powder like Magix Dust. It's going to set it in place and let you be ready to play for the day. I also think I get longer wear out of my makeup when I set it with a good setting powder. So let me know, is that something that you have found? Okay, eyes. We're gonna do our eye quad in Warm Sunrise today. So I'm gonna go with one first, just using a flat brush, and going to cover the lids of my eyes. So I was thinking that, you know, I used to be really good about getting all my laundry done on the weekends so I didn't have to mess with it during the weekdays. And now I feel like I'm filling my schedule on the weekends with things to do with my family and with the kids, and I'm not getting it done. So I'm going back to my daily schedule of things to do. I shared this with you guys a few videos back where, like, on Mondays I did my kitchen, Tuesdays I did floors, Wednesdays I did toilet or bathrooms, Thursdays I do like beds, change sheets, all that. But, you know, doing one thing each day of the week. We're going to go in with 2 and do that as a transition color. Going to set that up a little bit higher because we have creased eyes. But anyway, I'll post that schedule again, but I'm going to go back. Christmas break messed me up. I got all off of my schedule. So now I've got to get back on my schedule so I can get all my things done. Just about 30 minutes a day doing a different chore will help you to get your whole house done through the week, and just throwing a couple loads of laundry in each day so you don't have to do it all in one day. Who has time for that? I agree. Makeup makes you feel more professional. It does. Okay, we're going to go in with 3 and 4, and I'm going to bring those in kind of a wing form here. I'm going to wing it out. And I am using a fluffy brush if you're missing that here. It's a good fluffy brush. Oh, that's pretty. I love these colors in this palette. It is such a pretty palette, and it can really be versatile. It's great for green eyes, brown eyes. Blue eyes can even pull off a romantic pink look. It's really pretty. Really, really pretty. Yay! Okay, I'm going to take 1 and 2. And I'm just going to blend a little bit more. We're just blending, blending, blending. We're blended. Yes! You know, celebrate every step of success. Super Extend Liquid Liner. I need a good schedule for housework. I put off laundry until it is so piled up that I'm mad at myself. Yes. So this schedule a friend shared with me a few years ago, it really does work. I mean, because it does everything. From one day, you can do like all your ceiling fans in your house. One day you can do all your windows. I mean, it really breaks it down. You still have your daily things, like you have to clean up your kitchen after you, you know, cook, or, you know, but if you will just fit in 2 loads of laundry a day, so like Monday you do towels, Tuesday you do jeans, something like that. If you will fit in 2 loads of laundry a day, it'll help you to not have it all pile up. Of course, it really probably depends on how many people you have in your house. I have 2 boys who are special needs, and they wear diapers. So we go through a ton of clothes. Their clothes almost have to be washed every day because they do not smell good. And I do not like for that smell to set in on the fabric of their clothes. But like for Chad and I, you know, I can do 2 or 3 loads during the week and not really have it all pile up. What I got myself in was like what you just said, because I let the holidays mess my whole schedule up, and I was like letting all the laundry pile up. Who has time for that? I don't have any time for that. Okay, we're going to curl these lashes and love on them with some Love mascara. Bam. Love it. Gonna love on those lashes and put some heart-shaped fibers on there. Hey, Amanda. Oh, I thought that was Angie that was talking. That was Amanda. Hey, girl. How you feeling? How's that baby? Are you holding it together? Okay, Love Mascara. We are going to simply do some love on these lashes and give them some volume and some length. I have a friend that I think I've told you guys that sells the magnetic lashes. She was like, Jennifer, you have to try these. So I'm going to order me a pair. I'll let you guys know. I'll maybe do a demo with you. I'll let you guys know what I think. I'm really fidgety about things around my eyes. I wear glasses. Normally, you guys probably don't ever see me in glasses, but I wear glasses normally. And I cannot do contacts. I tried it. The poor eye doctor, bless his heart, he was basically on top of me trying to get my eye to hold open so that they could put the test set in, and I could not hold my eye open. It was crazy. My husband was like, I was like, let me take them home and I'll get my husband to help me. He was like, I have never seen anybody not be able to put contacts in their eyes before, but I could not do it. I just couldn't. I mean, we didn't even buy we had the test set, and after that I was like, just keep them. I'm out. So then I'm wondering, how are false lashes gonna affect? I have a little dribble. We gotta pick up with our Q-tip. I'm like, how are false lashes gonna affect my eyes? Have you guys ever wore them? Share with me any tips in the comments. Would love to hear it. Okay, Love blush. We're gonna do Sweet Pea. I love this color. It's such a pretty color, and it's cushion, and it goes on like watercolor on your face. Okay, here's our puff. Pick it up, puff, puff, puff. Oh, isn't it pretty? Just a gentle little, it's not too bold. I could do a little bit darker. We could go a little bit darker because, you know, I'm gonna be looking at myself on the computer screen. The other thing I've noticed with my eyes is blue light from my computer screen. Somebody was telling me the other day about blue light glasses. Have y'all heard of these? Apparently somebody that looks in the computer screen all day long would need, it will help to keep you from getting like headaches and things like that. We're gonna do our two-tone lipstick in Beige Effect. I love this stuff. It's so awesome. It has the liner and then has the lipstick. I have been using just the liner without the lipstick, so it's not really very even. But if you will wear a liner with your lipstick, it will stay a lot longer. It's such a pretty color. I'm doing okay. About to try. Oh, good. A nap for a baby means a nap for mama. Enjoy that time. I love this color. It's so pretty. It's such a good neutral. Okay, let's set it with our setting powder, which is our Belif Glow Mist and Fix. Whew. Let it do all the things to set in place. And then you have a put together makeup look for a real woman. No glam, no extra, just a typical look to get you on your day. I think we may have done it in less than 10 minutes. I'm not positive. I'm just brushing out those curls with my fingers now. I love my curl and spin. It is really, I mean, I can get my whole head curled in like 10 minutes. Once I've kind of got the system down, it does all the good. Pick one up if you haven't yet. So if you guys need any color matching or any recommendations on makeup, be sure and check me out at youravon.com/jwoolsey or private message me. Would love to help you. I think we're gonna pull that over a little bit. Love to help you with some color matching and getting the perfect shades that you need. So if you haven't done it yet, even though it's midday, get up, get dressed, put your makeup on, and make today great. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye guys.